Hi everybody, it's Kim from the Chroma Club. Today I'm going to show you how to do this super cute little koala ice cream. It is from a Sydney-based artist called Mulga. So thanks Mulga, love your work. Hope you enjoy, guys. So with our page starting up vertical, long ways, we're going to start off with a nice, loose, big circle in the middle. So we still have space for our ice cream on top, and then we're going to come down with a nice sharp angle line and join it up on the other side for our ice cream cone. Now because it is a yummy waffle cone, we're going to separate our cone with another angle line going this way, and we will just carry on with that same angle line going in parallel lines and then coming back the opposite way to make our squares for the waffle cone. This side of the cone, we're going to follow the outside line of our cone going up and next to each other, more parallel lines, and going across the other way diagonally. Now we want these lines to be mismatched because it's showing that the cone is wrapped over itself. Now for the top of the head, we are going to go curve, down, curve and down. So the curve in the middle here is actually our blob of cream on top. So we're going to follow this curve line, come out and round, come down on the other side, out and round, and then on this curve we're going to do a little S line and then curve sharply in with the backwards curve. So that's going to be the top of our cream. On this side we're just going to go a little loose wavy line and come with a nice big round curve line on top and join it up there for our top of our cream. Now this little spot here is for our cherry. The cherry is sitting inside the cream, so we're not going to see the bottom of it. We're just going to do a round circle, another little curve groove on top, and that is for our stem. Two straight lines joining up with a little circle, and there's a little light catcher. Now from here we're going to be coming out with our lovely big koala ears. I'm just going to do a little guideline so my ears are going to match up. So on this side we're going to come with a nice big curve all the way out and straight down, and then we're going to finish it off with a few little wavy lines getting smaller as they come in, because that's going to show his fur. Other side now we're going to do the same thing, up, round and down to our guideline, and wiggly lines all the way in. Now we're going to do the same thing on the inside of the ear, because this is his little black part of the ear. Follow the same curve and wiggly lines in, so it's just a smaller version of that. And this is going to be our black part of the ear, bit of fur. Now we're going to finish our ice cream blob. So this one can be a little bit wobbly coming down. This one as well, I'm going to come in, out and in, and I'm actually going to get my black marker for you to see this. We're going to do our ice cream drips, down and up, down and up. So any drips you want in any way or length, joining up with the side, and there is our ice cream dripping down our cone. Okay, so he's got a lovely big nose, Mr. Koala. So there's our middle line here, our guide line, and we're going to start here, angle line down, nice big curve and up with a little curve on top, his nostrils, and he's got a little mouth smiling, curve line, another curve line down with a little curved line inside, which is his tongue. I'm going to color this in so we can see clearly. And now instead of doing eyes, I'm going to do a fun pair of glasses. So we are going to start off with a straight line coming out either side of the nose. And we're going to come up, follow our nose, straight line on top, following this straight line. So it's just poking into the ear slightly, and we're going to join those two lines up. So there we have the frame of our glasses. We're going to carry on with our frame, parallel line close together for the top frame, same thing coming down, two straight lines coming down, and the same thing on this way. We're going to join it up. Now inside our frame we're going to do some palm trees, nice big beautiful curved lines for our leaves, stem, and our palm tree. Same thing on the other side, out and in, out and in, out and in. So our curved lines keep coming back to that same middle point, and the same thing over here. And there we go, guys. There's the easy drawing.